You ever notice how some drivers seem to know all the little car tricks that make life easier? The kind of stuff that saves them money, time, and a whole lot of frustration? Well, today's your turn. These aren't gimmicks or internet fads. These are real, tested car hacks that actually work. Simple fixes you can do in your own driveway with stuff you probably already have at home. From cleaning your windshield with an apple to using a penny to check your tire safety. We're covering 12 genius car hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of practical hacks you'll wish you learned years ago. Welcome to Motor Minds, the channel where real drivers, real owners, and real enthusiasts get straight-up automotive wisdom. If you're new, hit subscribe. Your support helps us grow the channel and keep bringing you real, useful car tips every week. Let's get into 12 car hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Hack number 1. Rub your car windshield with an apple. Here's an old-school trick that's been around for decades, especially popular among truck drivers, but most people have completely forgotten about it. If you're ever caught in the rain and your windshield wipers stop working, or they're just worn out and streaking like crazy, an apple might actually save the day. All you have to do is cut an apple in half and rub the cut side across your windshield. The malic acid in the apple creates what's called a lotus effect. That means water won't cling to the glass. Instead, it beads up and rolls right off, giving you a clearer view even without wipers. It's not a permanent solution, but it's good enough to get you safely to the next gas station or garage. You'll literally see the rain sliding right off the glass. And that's not all. The same trick also helps remove insect dirt and road grime from your windshield or even your headlights. Just rub the apple on, wipe it clean, and you're good to go. It's simple, effective, and proof that sometimes nature has the best car hacks. Hack number 2. Toothpaste for car paint scratches. Here's a classic car hack that actually works, and there's real science behind it. If your car has those small surface scratches or scuff marks, the kind that don't go deeper than the clear coat, you can use regular white toothpaste as a quick, mild polishing compound. Not the gel kind, just the plain white stuff. Here's what you do. Put a small dab of toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and gently rub it over the scratch using small, circular motions. Don't press too hard. You're polishing, not sanding. After about a minute, wipe it clean and check your results. In most cases, the scratch will fade or even disappear completely. Toothpaste contains fine abrasives, similar to what you'll find in professional rubbing compounds, but much gentler on your car's paint. It's perfect for light blemishes, door handle scratches, or scuff marks from another car. It's not a miracle fix for deep damage, but for quick touch-ups, it's surprisingly effective. And if nothing else, hey, at least your car will smell minty fresh. Hack number 3. Nail polish for broken car paint. If your paint's chipped down to the metal, you know that's bad news. Bare metal equals oxidation, and oxidation equals rust. A quick fix before that happens? Nail polish. No, you don't need to match your car's exact shade perfectly, though some people do. Just grab a clear coat or a similar color and lightly brush it over the chip. It seals the area, keeping moisture out until you can do a proper touch-up. I've seen this trick used by everyone from old-school mechanics to weekend detailers. It's not glamorous, but it works. Think of it as a temporary band-aid for your car's paint job. Cheap, fast, and better than doing nothing. Hack number 4. WD-40 on door hinges. Nothing says, "I neglect my car," quite like a door hinge that squeaks loud enough to wake the neighborhood. A few sprays of WD-40 can shut that noise down instantly. Just open the door, aim for the hinge pins, and work the door back and forth a few times. You'll feel the difference right away. But here's a small upgrade. After WD-40 loosens and cleans the joint, follow up with a bit of lithium grease or silicone spray. WD-40 is great for cleaning and freeing things up, but it doesn't last long as a lubricant. So WD-40 first to flush out the grime, grease second to protect it. Quiet doors, smooth motion, zero drama. Hack number 5. Olive oil for dashboard shine. Here's a simple car care trick that works better than you'd expect, and you probably already have what you need sitting in your kitchen. You don't need expensive detailing sprays or silicone-based cleaners to make your dashboard look clean and fresh. All you need is a little olive oil. Dab a tiny amount, and I mean tiny, onto a microfiber cloth. Then gently wipe it across your dashboard, center console, and door panels. The olive oil adds a soft, satin-like shine that brings out the natural color of the plastic or vinyl. It also helps condition the material, keeping it from drying out or cracking over time. Another bonus? It's completely natural, safe to touch, and leaves your car smelling a whole lot better than those harsh, chemical-heavy sprays. Just remember, less is more. You're giving your dashboard a light refresh, not turning it into a frying pan. Done right, it'll look clean, smooth, and well cared for. No sticky residue, no greasy mess. Hack number 6. Paintbrush or makeup brush for air vents. Car vents are dust magnets, and most people's cleaning strategy involves blasting the air and hoping for the best. Spoiler, that doesn't work. Grab a small, soft-bristled paintbrush, or even a clean makeup brush, and use it to gently sweep out the dust from your vents, around buttons, and inside tight trim lines. It's precise, it's gentle, and it won't scratch the plastic. Pro tip: give the brush a quick mist of interior cleaner or a little diluted vinegar water before you use it. It helps the dust stick instead of just floating around your cabin. Once you've done this once, you'll wonder how you ever tolerated driving with those fuzzy vents. Hack number 7. Cleaning the car interior with slime. No, this isn't some kid's toy. That cleaning slime you see online actually works, and it's one of the easiest ways to keep your car interior spotless. Think of it as a reusable dust grabber that gets into all the tiny spots you can't reach with a cloth or vacuum. Just press the slime gently onto dusty areas like cup holders, air vents, buttons, or the spaces around your gear shifter. It molds itself into every little corner, lifts out crumbs, lint, and dust, and comes off clean without leaving any sticky residue behind. You can buy pre-made cleaning slime online for a few bucks, or you can make your own using glue, baking soda, and borax. It's quick, cheap, and fun to use. If you snack in your car, have kids, or just want that tidy, showroom-clean interior without breaking out all the cleaning tools, this little blob of slime will become your new favorite cleaning hack. Hack number 8. Vaseline on door seals. If you live somewhere with cold winters, or just hate hearing your door seals stick or tear, this one's worth doing a couple times a year. Take a rag or your finger, scoop a small bit of petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and rub it lightly along the rubber seals of your doors and trunk. It keeps the rubber flexible, prevents freezing, and stops that annoying sticking sound when you open the door after a frost. A lot of mechanics use silicone grease for this, but Vaseline works in a pinch. Think of it as moisturizer for your car's weather stripping. It'll stay soft, sealed, and silent through the worst weather. Hack number 9. Changing your cabin air filter. Not exactly a hack, but this one's overlooked way too often. Most drivers don't realize how much a clogged cabin air filter affects their comfort, and even their health. If your car's AC smells musty, the airflow feels weak, or your windows fog up more than usual, your cabin filter is probably overdue for a change. The good news? You can replace it yourself in under 10 minutes. Most filters sit right behind the glove box. No tools, no mechanic required. Just open the box, release the side clips, pull out the old filter, and slide in a new one facing the same direction. You'll immediately notice cleaner airflow and fresher smelling air. It's one of the simplest, most satisfying DIY jobs you can do, yet shops charge up to $50 for it. Do it yourself once, and you'll never pay for it again. Cleaner air, smoother AC, and one less reason to hand over your wallet. Hack number 10. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. If you've ever lived through a real winter, you know the pain of frozen car locks. You're standing in the cold, jamming your key in like you're trying to break into your own car. Here's a fast fix. Squirt a little hand sanitizer onto your key and insert it into the lock. The alcohol in the sanitizer melts ice on contact, and since it's designed to evaporate, it won't cause moisture buildup afterward. It's fast, safe for the mechanism, and you probably already have it in your glove box. If your door handles are frozen too, pour a bit around the edges and give it a minute. You'll be inside before your coffee even gets cold. Hack number 11. Check your tire tread depth with a penny. Here's an old school trick that still works like a charm, and it might just save your life. Grab a penny from your pocket and stick it into your tire tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the very top of his head, your tread is worn down to 2/32 of an inch or less, and that means it's time for new tires. Now, this might sound simple, but that tiny bit of tread makes a huge difference. Worn tires can't grip the road properly. They're more likely to hydroplane on wet pavement, slide in corners, or take longer to stop, especially in rain or snow. Do yourself a favor. Make this a quick monthly habit. It takes 10 seconds, costs nothing, and helps you catch tire issues before they become dangerous. Because let's be honest, your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Hack number 12. The emergency shift override button. Here's one that even experienced drivers sometimes overlook, and it can save your neck in a dead battery situation. Most automatic cars have an emergency shift lock override, a small slot or button near the gear selector. It's there for one reason, to let you shift out of park when your battery's dead and the ignition won't release it. If you ever turn the key and get nothing, but you need to move the car, like onto a tow truck or out of traffic, pop off the small plastic cap, insert a key or screwdriver, and press down. That unlocks the shifter so you can move it to neutral manually. Check your owner's manual to see exactly where yours is located. It's different for every model, but once you know, you'll never be stuck wondering why your car won't shift. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but when you do, it's a lifesaver. So there you go. 12 simple car hacks that actually make your life easier. No snake oil, no miracle sprays, just stuff that's been proven to work in the real world. Some of them are quick fixes, others are just smart maintenance habits. But together, they'll help you keep your car cleaner, quieter, and running better, without spending a fortune on fancy products or shop time. If you picked up something useful today, do yourself and us a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite car hack, and subscribe to Motor Minds for more real-world car advice just like this. And if you're already subscribed, check out the next video. We've got plenty more practical car tips, repair guides, and deep dives coming your way. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and keep your mind on the motor.